Audio Jungle.
Amazon has a 1 million square foot warehouse, and in Belgium, it's been decided to build a version just as cool. When the builders are finished, 80,000 pallets will fit inside. So these loading platforms might look strange, but they're necessary. After all, they not only help transporting goods, but also reduce the risk of accidents or injuries. Depending on the model, one robot can handle loads of up to 3,300 pounds, with a positioning accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree. Even if there are many robots, you won't need beacons or markings. Inside each robot is a complete navigation system and a Wi-Fi module. And as usual, there is an app with a lot of functions. For example, there's a scheduler and robot reservation for future tasks.
उस समय हम थे या नहीं थे, हमारे कुत्ते भी थे या नहीं थे, औरों के कुत्ते हो सकते।
Imagine. London Heathrow Airport welcomed more than 80 million passengers from around the world in 2019. And that's just one airport in one country. There are many places that attract large numbers of people, and they all need cleaning. So, here's a disinfecting robot fitted with a UV lamp to help us out. It's been proven to kill 99.99% of viruses and bacteria in 10 minutes on a 270 square foot surface. The robot has enough charge for 3 hours and can even fit in an elevator thanks to its compact design. In addition, the robot travels between floors autonomously, and if it encounters people along the way, the lamps turn off automatically. It doesn't use household chemicals, it's cost-effective and efficient. The technology has been tested and approved by a number of expert groups. Despite the pandemic and other problems, Volvo managed to sell 698,693 vehicles in 2021. But they've also been working on projects like this one. On the screen, you can see an autonomous forklift based on Lego models. It all started as a joke in 2016. The Volvo and Lego teams had an informal team-building session. But the joke got out of hand, and the forklift ended up being so good that it fit perfectly into the vision of the future of construction machinery. It runs for up to 5 hours on a single charge, it can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, is autonomous, and suitable for a wide range of tasks, from construction to site redevelopment. It also has a scissor-type framework and a helper drone that helps it see its surroundings better. Ocean pollution is so bad that mercury and garbage have been found even in the Mariana Trench. And the waterways of some poor countries look like floating landfills. Unfortunately, picking up trash by hand is expensive and time-consuming. So, engineers in Hong Kong came up with this robotic platform. It's not only efficient, but also cheap. The device is already used to clean Hong Kong's waterways. This particular model picks up 551 pounds of garbage a day. There are also models that can pick up oil and similar pollutants. One charge allows it to work for 4 hours. The cost is 10 cents per 0.6 miles, and the system can operate autonomously and be solar-powered if necessary. An online control system with AI options will tell you what to keep in mind when planning routes. France has developed a whole family of cleaning robots. They're cheaper and faster than human workers, are ready to work at any time of the day or night, and even improve the image of any company, says the description. Let's review the specifications. Depending on the model, a single charge allows working between 6 and 12 hours, during which the robot can perfectly clean up to 129,000 square feet of space. It has 8 cleaning modules, with the ability to clean walls, corners, and hard-to-reach places. To top it off, the robots can be taught to detect chemical leaks, perform heat mapping, and even take inventories. The operating system is enhanced with artificial intelligence options, so the robot can easily adapt to tough areas such as factories, train stations, and airports. What will the stores of the future look like? In many countries, people already know the answer thanks to cashierless stores. But there are other options too. It's possible that soon we won't even have to leave our home thanks to this unmanned store that will visit its customers on its own. The process is as follows. The shopper requests the store through an app, takes the necessary products from the shelves and pays for them. The creators have big plans. They want to rent these stores on wheels to both large chains and private retailers, and are confident that mass adoption will take place within the next 10 years. The idea is that the average waiting time will be reduced to 10 minutes, but there is a problem. At the moment, food delivery services pose a strong competition. According to some statistics, a person generates an average of 26 ounces of garbage per day. And in the future, this figure will continue to increase, which is why it's necessary to improve recycling technologies. Here's a robot created by Spanish and American engineers, ready to help in the sorting phase. Each robot has several arms and uses max AI technology to analyze each item in less than a second. And then it recognizes the type of waste in front of it and deposits it in the appropriate container. The technology is so advanced that the robot can even distinguish between different types of plastic. In addition, it keeps learning as it works. The creators are confident that in the future, their idea will completely replace human workers and help automate recycling plants, which means that they'll become more profitable. The selection continues with another litter fighter. This German cleaning robot can operate both inside buildings and on the streets. It could help solve the cleaner shortage. In 2021, for example, there was a shortage of around 19,000 workers in the Russian city of St. Petersburg. The robot is fully autonomous and fully electric, its creators explain. A single charge is enough for 6 hours of work, and the robot will clean about 64,500 square feet in 1 hour. The robot's container capacity is 40 gallons, and the working width reaches 58 inches. The robot can easily move around thanks to a 360-degree vision system, and you can monitor the work from a smartphone. This is the world's first fully automated leaf-cutting robot for tomato crops, explain experts from the Netherlands. That doesn't sound too cool, right? But did you know that China alone produces more than 56 million tons of tomatoes a year? So, it's a very significant invention, especially in the light of the global food crisis. The robot has been successfully tested in several greenhouses, and it's planned to build analogues for handling cucumbers and harvesting crops in the future. The tomato version has a robotic arm that extends 49 inches and is ready to work 24/7. Its work can also be evaluated from a smartphone, and the company guarantees 85% effectiveness at a weekly range of 107,500 square feet. In 2022, online sales have totaled $5.5 trillion. Imagine how many orders that is, and how difficult it is to find, package, and deliver every purchase at a time. This system works 5 times faster than humans, and is already used by Lotte, Auchan, and other large companies. The key feature of the system is special honeycomb cells. Robotic containers circulate in the upper part, into which the goods are placed by manipulators, and then the containers with the orders can be picked up by the delivery service. By the way, there's also an innovation for delivery services. Special algorithms will design the optimal route. They've already been tested by the Canadian supermarket chain Sobeys, and 98.6% of orders were delivered on time, and the scale is staggering. In a London warehouse, 2,000 robots can pick up to 2 million items a day. These robots work for DHL, one of the world's most famous logistics companies. They sort packages, and from the outside, the process looks rather simple and uninnovative. But the figures speak for themselves. Robot-equipped facilities in Singapore and South Korea are 40% more efficient, with sorting rates exceeding 1,000 small packages per hour, and the robots are 99% accurate. The process works as follows. The robot scans a special barcode, obtains information about the destination, and deposits the package in the right container. The containers are placed on racks, and each rack is a separate courier route. DHL will spend about $2 billion on such robots, so competitors will obviously have to pull out all the stops. You need superhuman capabilities to fight crime, write the creators of this security robot. And they're right. In the United States alone in 2020, firearms attacks increased by 8%. And in France, they were horrified when they measured the homicide rate in the last 20 years. It went up by 91%. The security robot is able to patrol autonomously, rotating 360 degrees. Moreover, its capabilities allow it to detect suspicious events that a normal security guard would have overlooked. For example, by scanning up to 300 license plates per minute, the robot can locate suspicious vehicles and report back on them. It also detects if someone in its vicinity is on a blacklist and alerts them with a beep. If needed, the operator can take control of the robot and communicate with the people around it. However, one of these robots misjudged its strength and drowned in a fountain. So we're still a long way from RoboCop.
उस समय हम थे या नहीं थे हमारे कुत्ते भी थे या नहीं थे
This robot will be of interest to farmers and will help them with tillage, mowing, tedding, and other operations. The engine produces 75 horsepower, so the machine can accelerate up to 8.4 miles per hour. The robot has 3 hydraulic outputs. Maximum hitch lift capacity at hooks is 8,800 pounds. And thanks to the RTK GNSS system, accuracy is plus or minus an inch. In addition, the robot offers several business tools. For example, the special app allows you to quickly arrange work cycles, set up tasks, and book specific robots for them. And if you want to see the work for yourself, just turn on the camera. The first units were scheduled to be sold in the spring of 2023. The manufacturers have found partners in Switzerland and France and are ready to offer not only the machines, but also maintenance.
Hey, stop being lazy. It's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals. Amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now. You won't regret it.
हमने अपनी जान दी, हमारे पार्टी के नेताओं ने जान दिया। क्या किए? आपके घर में कोई देश के लिए कुत्ता तो मरा है? क्या कोई तो कुर्बानी दी है?